You can look at my video I uploaded yesterday, fellas. I showed you that the candles came to this point. If there are those who don't believe, they can look. I'm the best at this. Financially, we're all gonna have a good day and grow up together. Hello everyone, hello Doge family. I will move on to graphic drawing and news in a moment, but I want you to hear these. Guys, how much fast the volatility can shift to going to bullish, and understand guys, we went from 16 cents to over 27 cents in the course a couple days. You just have to be patient. In this market, this is why we do our research, this is why we have our conviction for days like this when everybody else is fearful, when everyone else has paper hands. We have the conviction, we have those diamond hands, we understand what we are investing in, and we are in this for the long run. I showed it on the chart in my video yesterday. Friends, we entered the upward trend. Guys, if you are so focused on the day-to-day price action, you are going to miss on the big picture. You are going to miss the opportunity to change your life financially and possibly make generational wealth. Guys, this is not going to happen overnight, but what we are seeing is the power of the people. We are seeing how massive the Dogecoin community is, because while the Bitcoin price started to fluctuate, it wasn't really grabbing stable. What came out? Dogecoin came out as a community. We are trending on Twitter, we are doing amazing thing. We are showing the power that those coins ready to stand up to this market and say, look, we are gonna fight back, we are not gonna go down without a fight. And that's exactly what's shaping up right now. Guys, in my opinion, what we are seeing today is absolutely extremely bullish for the overall market, for especially for Dogecoin. We are seeing the power of the people, and when the Dogecoin community really comes together, unites, how bullish and how great that can be. Guys, we are reflecting this price action 100%. I believe that the bulls and the entire crypto market is looking to be bullish right now. Guys, I believe that the next phase of the bull market is about to start after we get through this $2.5 billion of future contracts that are going to expire tomorrow. So get ready for another 24 hours extreme volatility. There's gonna be a lot of fear of flood in this market, with $2.5 billion of contracts expiring tomorrow with the end of the month and the end of the quarter. So do not think we are out of the woodwork yet. I believe we could see one more consolidation period, but if we do not, guys, we could easily get back to both of 30 cents. I believe we are gonna be shaping up to get to 30 to 40 cents going to next month. I believe, guys, July is going to be a massive month for the entire crypto market. And understand, guys, over the last couple of months, we went from an all-time high as the overall market, with Bitcoin touching 64,000 to coming down to 28,500 in the course of 2 months. So understand that how fast the market can flip to being back to bullish, and we could be chasing all-time highs before you know it. That's why you have to be patient, that's why you have to understand the market, and that's why you have to understand, guys, really in the grand scheme of things, if you are in this for the long run, you are a part of the adoption of cryptocurrency. You have to ask yourself what over the last couple months have made you bearish besides the day-to-day price action. Understand that every single day we are reading about more and more mainstream adoption. We are reading about the financial markets starting to understand that cryptocurrency is a better development, a better system to change the social and economic future of the entire world. Guys, we are going to see cryptocurrency change the landscape of everything that we are used to in this world. It's going to be like the internet adoption, except you have a change to take part in this, and you have a chance to change your financial future through this. But the Dogecoin community, what we are doing right now, we are going to take a look at the prices, but what we have done, guys, is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for everybody showing. I'm going to read a news now and get back to the chart. New Delhi. Major cryptocurrencies were trading higher on Friday. 8 out of the top 10 digital tokens were trading with solid gains at 9.30 hours East, led by Dogecoin, which gained as much as 25%. The heads of some of the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchanges say Bitcoin miners are shifting operations out of China as authorities intensify their crackdown on the space. China's moves had injected uncertainty into the cryptocurrency market and helped pull Bitcoin down to the lower end of its recent trading range, with the coin briefly falling below $30,000 this week after having reached nearly $65,000 in mid-April. Dogecoin has found support from Charles Hoskinson, the co-founder of Ethereum. Hoskinson said that Dogecoin is a reasonable target for someone to fix it up and make it an interesting cryptocurrency. Bitcoin range-bound. The past 24 hours were an exciting buying opportunity for several patient investors. Several cryptocurrencies were available at a discount following the heavy selling during the past couple of days. This buying spree resulted in the overall crypto market cap going higher. Bitcoin remained range-bound, said Ejal Patel, CEO and co-founder, Mudrex. However, it managed to cross the $35,000 mark. Altcoins were the winner in terms of their massive rise over the past 24 hours. Ripple and Cardano were among the top gainers among the altcoins, he added. Guys, that got in, great job. I unfortunately wasn't able to get in, but there's always going to be another opportunity. So if you look at the day is just looking phenomenal. LJUST nothing but an uptrend pattern. We went from about 22-23 cents up to now 28 cents non-stop, just healthy bullish movement. However, this is moving up a little bit quickly. I wouldn't be surprised if we had a small little pullback before we headed up much higher from here. So that's basically what's going on with Dogecoin price. Now let's take a look at the news. So I have two pieces of news for you guys. One of them is something that just came out actually a few minutes ago, less than 5 minutes ago when I started the video, and that's how many, and this is Elon Musk tweeting this, and we haven't had a tweet from Elon Musk about Bitcoin in one heck of a long time. So here it is. How many Bitcoin maxes does it take to screw in a light bulb? That's not funny. Bitcoin maxis. Shout out to the awesome Tesla global team. Was something before, so he makes a Bitcoin joke. That's the first time he mentioned Bitcoin in what is it, like a few weeks already, and he just uses a joke, and now he uploaded this nice how many Bitcoin maxes does it. I honestly don't know what to say. Take that as you wish. Now is saying, hey, Dogecoin has a lot of potential. It's a currency with so much potential, we just need someone to fix it up, which we have got Elon Musk taking it under its wing, and it's going to be big. So I mean, we got huge crypto founders from Cardano right here. This company, this project that's worth $44 billion is saying that Dogecoin has got a lot of potential, and Dogecoin is chasing right behind it. I wouldn't be surprised if maybe we saw Dogecoin flip Cardano eventually, but yeah, we got a lot of support for Dogecoin, so it's great to see. And if we take a look at the charts, we are taking a look at a very nice and strong bullish movement from this drop right here. We formed the small double bottom, and now we are heading up higher. So this was basically like the drop we had from the head and shoulders pattern that's been going on for months in Monite. Now as you can see, where we dropped below R, tested a little bit and then headed down lower, had that massive sell-off that one morning, and now we are just making our way back up without one small problem. So everything is looking great on the charts as long as we continue to get a lot of buying volume, a lot of buying pressure step into the market, and people are continuing to stay bullish there. No significant bad news. I think that we could continue moving upwards. However, always in crypto, you gotta be prepared and cautious of the unexpected. You never know when you get hit with like a bunch of like a huge piece of bad news. Hopefully that's not going to happen. I am hoping for Dogecoin to go up, for my investment to go up as well, and I hope your guys' investment will go up as well for the dog ear me to continue to make money, of course. But yeah, that's basically it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button. Guys, thanks for listening to me. PLS, like the button, smiley face. See you next the video.